Hello guys, welcome to EduForest. Today we will solve question number 5 bit 1 of exercise 8.4 from chapter 8 CBSE class 10 math. Now the question is cosec theta minus cot theta square. We have to prove that this is equal to 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. Okay. Now how can you prove it? If we start from the LHS left hand side, it will be easier for you to prove this one. Okay. Otherwise, if you start from here, then you will have to rationalize this one. Then it will be very tedious and also very difficult. So that is why we will start from here. Okay. At the end, guys, please watch till the end, because at the end I will give you a tips and tricks. Okay. Now LHS. Okay. Now LHS is cosec theta minus cot theta square. Okay. Now this becomes, cosec theta is nothing but 1 by sin theta. Okay. Then cot theta is cos theta by sin theta. Okay. Now its square is given. Now this becomes, now take the LCM. Now here is sin theta, here is sin theta. Same thing is written here and here. So the LCM will be sin theta. Now if we divide this LCM by the denominator, that will be 1. Sin theta by sin theta, that will be 1. Sin theta divided by sin theta, same number is divided, so it becomes 1. So 1 is multiplied with 1, so it becomes 1. Then minus is given, write minus here. Then sin theta divided by sin theta is 1. Then 1 is multiplied with cos theta, so it becomes cos theta. Now it's square. Okay. Now this equal to 1 minus cos theta square divided by sin theta square. Okay. Since a by b square is equal to a square by b square. Okay. So you will apply that formula here. So 1 minus cos theta square by sin theta square, that is sin square theta. Okay. Now what we'll do, let me do here. Okay. Let me erase this one. Now the next step will be, now 1 minus cos theta square. So you can write it 1 minus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. Okay. Now divided by sin square theta. Sin square theta is nothing but 1 minus cos square theta. Clear? Because sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. So sin square theta will be, if we take cos square theta to this side, so it becomes 1 minus cos square theta. So you can write, in place of sin square theta, you can write 1 minus cos square theta. Okay. Now this becomes 1 minus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta divided by this one. Okay. Now you can write it as 1 square, then cos square theta you can write it cos theta square. In this way you can write this one, because 1 square is 1 and cos theta square is cos square theta. Okay. So let me erase this one. Now this equal to 1 minus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta divided by, now you apply the identity a square minus b square. This identity you have to apply, a square minus b square, that is a minus b into a plus b. Okay. So this will be 1 minus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta. Okay. Now 1 minus cos theta cancel. Now this will remain 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. Okay. Now this equal to 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. So this is our RHS. So write down here, this equal to RHS. So hence proved. Now guys, it's time for tips and tricks. In trigonometry, generally in such type of problems, you have to first convert all the trigonometric ratios given in that question into sine and cos. Okay. If you convert them into sine and cos, and if you then try to simplify it by taking LCM or rationalizing, in this way if you simplify them, then it will be very easier to prove this one. About 90% problem will be solved in that way. So guys, you just adopt that tricks. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you will like this video, and also you will not hesitate to subscribe this channel. Thank you. Take care.